So this is the speaker setup I'm putting in the MK4 Mondeo today. It's the correct speaker size for the Mondeo, straight off the shelf Pioneer pack with the woofer and the little tweeter there. So let's go and put it in the car. The rear door of the Mondeo estate, it's a T25 Torx and a little cover in there. There's also one in here under the cover and one in here as well. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws on the side. Once you've got the screws out, panel will pull, last little Torx screw here holds it on. Once you've removed all of your screws the whole way around and taken out your last Torx, it pulls from the bottom, and you want to slide it up. So from the bottom, you just got to work around that silver handle, because that handle will stay there. Once you slide it over the handle, you have 2 plugs here. Just remove those and then your door trim's free. So this is the standard speaker here. You've got the plug there. The reason there's an extra set of wires coming out, it loops back through the standard wiring to the tweeter that sits up here beside the door. So you can pretty much do away with that plug and just wire into there. To get your speaker off around the edge, you've got 3 7mm screws to get out there. In the back of the door trim, you'll find the factory tweeter. Nice and easy to get out, it's just the 4 clips on the side there. Give them a squeeze and it'll fall straight through. There we go. So I've mounted my tweeter up here near the door and run the wiring through an existing hole here, save cutting any more. Put the new speaker back in the existing shell, and I've just got the wiring hanging out there, ready to be connected. Easiest way to put the door trim back on is with the window down. The top lip goes on first, and then you just drop the rest in. If you pull a silver handle out as if you're opening the door, just slides in nice and easily and clips down. Once you've got your door back together, it's just a matter of putting your plastics back on. You've got the one in the door here, pushes in from the top and then the bottom. And then this one here, here's your plastic handle. All done.